In this video, I'll show you how to change the screen brightness on your Roku TV. This is a on Roku TV, but this works with any sorts of brands, Hisense, Sony, Panasonic, whatever. So what you need to do is to take your remote control and press the home button so you get this screen, and on this menu on this side you just have to go down until you see settings, then press OK. Go down until you see TV picture settings, press OK, and then over here press again OK, and you'll have to select between these 5 settings, and you can play with them. This is the darkness, then you have dark, normal, bright, and brighter. This way, if you don't want a very intense light to shine into your eyes at night, leave it to darker, and it's much more comfortable to watch TV this way. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.